bacon. Are you cooking it the best way possible? Luckily, we can help you find out. The key to perfect bacon is keeping it crispy. When it's cooking in its own fat, it's going to end up soggy. Our trick is to bake it in the oven using a rimmed baking tray topped with a cooling rack. Line the rack with the bacon lengthwise, covering it in just one layer. Cook the bacon at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Pull the bacon out and coat with 2 tablespoons of Victoria Gourmet baking glaze. Put it back in the oven for another 15 minutes. Your whole kitchen should smell like some delicious crispy bacon at this point, and if it doesn't, I'm sorry. Pull the bacon out and try a piece before using it as an essential part to the perfect breakfast sandwich. We recommend pairing it with a brioche bun, perfectly scrambled eggs, and our smoky paprika chipotle aioli. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we post new videos.